Hey, Brian with Blackseed. I just got to show you something that happened on the 50. This one will be a little short. I think it's kind of funny. We're getting ready to load it on a trailer this week and kind of move some cars around, take this to a buddy's shop, but we finally got it running. Check this out. There's still some coolant in it, but we haven't got it to fire. Well, we just got to fire, man. It's smoking like crazy. That's probably the coolant. Maybe time for another oil change. So that's going to a buddy's here. Whew, she's smoky. So that's going to a buddy's pretty soon. He's going to help me get it kind of down the road a little bit. Look at that mess. We're talking about spark plug wires and hiding every wire you can, taking the little extra effort, putting them under the headers, whatever, you know, kind of clean it up a little. Maybe I just leave it like this and take it to car shows. Pop that hood. Shit. That's crazy. I don't know what to do. I was good. Just throw an air cleaner on it. We're good. Man, I may leave that. If you see me cruising, hang back. This thing may be a fire hazard. I have no idea.